Hello, magical people. So please ignore my shaky photography. I'm holding my phone to do this because my camera died, but I could not wait any longer to open this. So this is the Elves Box by Sophie and Toffee, and this is a monthly subscription box that you can get from them. And this was their November box, and I love this red Festa box. It's so cute. So let's see. We have our Frozen Winter Wonderland November box. The recommended project they're saying is a crystal ice scepter hairpin. Oh, and then everything that's in here. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and see. So we have two metal doodads. What does it say these are? Scepter findings, maybe? No idea. Okay. And then we have our hollow, oh wow, film. And we have some packing peanuts. And we have some transfer foil. Christmas Galaxy. I think this is also, you can put this on your nails if you have LED stuff. And we have two kind of like snow globe looking bezels here. Wow, and these are really deep, so you could do a big dome project. Ooh, glitter. Wow. We have moons and, is this bunnies? Kind of looks like bunnies. Wow, this is really pretty. It's very mermaidy. I like it. And we have a mold. Whoops. I'll get that in a second. Okay, go packing peanut. And this mold is, oh, very cute and Christmassy. This is really nice quality. Feels great. So we have stockings and stars and reindeer, snowmen, snowflakes, little gingerbread guy, some bells. Really cute. I'll make some good charms. And then we got, whoa. This, oh, this is way, like, the silicone in this one versus the other one. I mean, this is, like, gummy bear-like, but it's a castle. That's cool. That's neat. So, like, this is very, very sturdy. I mean, I can't hardly squish it at all. And then this one's really squishy. I mean, it's almost tacky, even. It feels sticky. Can you hear that? Okay, and then we have... oh, cool, a crystal mold. So that'll be neat. And we have some resin here. And this is UV resin and it's clear. And I do have a UV light for my nails, so luckily I have that. Otherwise you might need to get that separately. We have some copper wire. We have more glitter. Oh, and it's got little bezels and stuff in it. So you could make like 3D like mounded gems with that. And we have, okay, so this is, these fit on the bottom of your ice scepter that you could make. So you would stick the crystal into the top of that. Oh, and then this, okay, that's what these are for the, so this whole thing would go together as an ice scepter. Okay. And then we have more glitter, goodness gracious. And this one's very wintry. We've got some snowflakes. I love this packaging. I mean, like this kind of container. And that's it. And we got some packing peanuts. So I'm really excited. I will try and film what kind of craft I might do with this. But we got quite a lot of stuff. I believe this was $35. I'm not, don't quote me on that. And I will go ahead and pop everything in the description box below so you can see. I'm really excited to try this stuff. So you can see how to get it if you're interested. And their Instagram does have tutorials, so I would definitely check them out. And I'm really excited to see how this goes. So I will let you all know. Thank you all so much for watching, and bye-bye.